Market daily visualization, June 12th, 2026, Canada Tortoise Capital. So we adjust our daily price bar, adjust the high and low. Adjust the 5-day look back and the 10-day look back, the 10-day regression line, the 30-period SMA. That looks pretty good. Price. The 2 PSAR targets. The 10-day high just slide. 10-day low just slide. Period regression lagged by 10. 30-day price range. Just the 30-day low. Adjust the 150-day regression line, the 150-day range. And the daily reference. Market's trying hard to put that low in. We'll see what the net effect of SpaceX is. I'm worried that the SpaceX simply eats up all of the available speculative cash, which hurts all of the other story stocks. With $1 trillion getting locked up in that symbol. All right, let's keep our risk measured and our powder dry.